In this video, I want to go over the Codewars problem, where my anagram's at. And what it states is, what is an anagram? Well, two words are anagrams of each other if they both contain the same letters. For example, if we look down here, ABBA and BAAB are anagrams of each other because they both contain the same letters. These two words are anagrams of each other because they both contain the same letters. However, these two words are not anagrams of each other because this word contains 3 B's while this word only contains 2. Now what they want us to do is to write a function that will find all the anagrams of a word from a list. You will be given 2 inputs, a word and an array with words. So if we look over here at our function, our 2 inputs will be our word and the second input will be the array of words. You should return an array of all the anagrams or an empty array if there are none. So if we look down here at the examples, this will be our word and this will be our array of words. What we will return at the end is all the anagrams. So AABB, which you can find here, is an anagram of ABBA, so we append it to our anagrams list. BBAA is also found right here, and it is an anagram of ABBA. There is no other word in this list that is an anagram of ABBA, so what we return at the end is this list right here. Now let us get into solving this problem. The first thing I'm going to do is create a list called anagram. So anagram is equal to an empty list. This is going to be the list that we return at the end that holds all the anagrams. Next, we're going to iterate throughout our list of words. So for every word I in our list of words, what we're going to do is we're just going to check to see if it's an anagram. So if is anagram, this is a helper function, so just bear with me for a second. The 2 input values will be word and I. So what this helper function is anagram does is it checks to see if our current word I in our words list is an anagram of our word or the first input value that they provide us. If that is true, what we're going to do is we're going to append that word I from our words list to our anagrams list. So we're just going to say anagram.append the word I. And then after we've iterated throughout every word I in our words list and then checked it against our word to see if it's an anagram, what we will do is we'll just return that list at the end. So return anagram. Now we got to create this helper function is anagram. So we're just going to say define is anagram. The 2 input values will be word 1 and word 2. Word 1 will be the word that you find here, and word 2 will be the current word I from our list of words. It's really simple to do this function to determine if 2 words are anagrams of each other. What we can do is we can sort each word in alphabetical order and then compare them against each other. If they are the same word, well then it is an anagram, and if they are not, it is not. So we're just going to return sorted word 1 is equal to sorted word 2. What this is going to do is either evaluate to true or false, and it's going to evaluate to true if these 2 words are equal to each other once we've sorted them, and it's going to return false otherwise. So this should be everything. Let's attempt it and see if it works. Yes, so all 6 test cases passed. So that was the where my anagrams problem at on Codewars. It is a 5 KYU problem. I hope that you found this video valuable and you learned something. If you did, I would appreciate it if you liked, commented, and subscribed, and I will see you guys in future tutorials.